Hello students, this is the second video on equations of tangent and normal. In the first video you have seen how to find out the slope of the tangent drawn to the curve. Okay. In the last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ curve ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು equation of motion ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು vehicle, suppose car is going like this, then if it is going in this path, then it describes an equation of motion. Okay, so ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಆ ಪಾತನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it always goes in this straight direction. Okay, this straight line will be called as the tangent to that path of motion. Okay, in a real world we can say like this. So ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ that is called as the point of contact ಅಥವಾ the point at which the tangent is drawn. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕರ್ವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ಕರ್ವ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx. that dy by dx is the what slope of that curve. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಎಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆ dy by dx ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ x naught y naught ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕರ್ವ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಲೈನ್ or equation of a tangent is given in the form y minus y naught is m into x minus x naught. Okay, in the examples ನಾವು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. See, I will take find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve y is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0,5. Okay, you will first consider the function, the equation of curve. It's as it is. At what point the tangent is drawn? The tangent is drawn at 0,5. Okay, when I get the curve, in order to find out its slope, what we do? We differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X raised to 4 derivative is 4x cube. 6 3s are 18x square, negative sign as it is. X square derivative with respect to x will be 2x, 13 2s are 26x, and then I have minus 10 here, sorry, minus 10 plus 5, it will be kept as it is. Then, suppose I want dy by dx at that particular point 0,5, I will substitute that x is equal to 0 in dy by dx. Then we'll get it as 10. Or here only you make it as plus 10, so that the slope is plus 10. Plus 10x. Okay. Then the dy by dx at that particular point is got as 10. Okay. So this is the slope of a curve at that point, means it is equivalent to the slope of the tangent drawn at that particular point. Now we know the point at which the tangent is drawn and the slope of this curve as m is 10. Then I write the equation as y minus y1 is m into x minus x naught, or x minus x1. Point is what? 0,5. x naught is 0, x1 is 0 and y1 is 5. I will substitute y minus 5 is, slope is 10, 10 into x minus 0. Thus y minus 5 is equal to 10x, or you can say 10x minus y, okay, plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a tangent drawn to it. Similarly, I want the normal. For normal, it will be minus 1 by m. I hope you can do it. Now I consider another example. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is x square minus 2x plus 7, which is, here they have not given the point. Here they are not neither given the point nor the slope, but they have given there is a maybe a curve like this. For this curve, the tangent drawn, this equation you have to find out. They have given a clue to find out the slope of this line and the point of contact as it is parallel to the line. Okay, since this tangent line and the given line are parallel, this is our given line, 2x minus y plus 9. You know, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Like that, from this equation, I can write the equation, the slope of this line as minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, like that. So with the help of this, I can find out the slope. Same slope I'll substitute here. Okay. Now, solution. The equation of a curve is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. It is 2x minus 2. What is the first clue? The tangent drawn to the curve is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Then the slope of this line will be what? Minus coefficient of a upon x upon coefficient of y minus a by b, we say. It is 2. So this is the slope of the line which is parallel to our tangent, means our tangent is also having the slope as 2. But by differentiating the equation of curve, you have got the slope of this line as 2x minus 2. I can equate those two so that I can find out the point at which the tangent is drawn. So dy by dx is equal to, we'll substitute 2, because the slope of a line which is parallel to it is 2, means both have the slope 2 only. In other words, the slope of this tangent is also given by dy by dx is 2x minus 2. Both are same, means we equate those two. Then x coordinate of this curve will become it as 2. Now, the corresponding y coordinate can be got by substituting that point x equal to 2 in the equation of the curve. What is the equation of the curve? Y is x square minus 2x plus 7. So, you will put x is 2. 2 square 4 minus 2 into 2 4 plus 7, y is equal to 7. So at what point the tangent is drawn? Tangent is drawn at 2 comma 7. Thus we had a tangent like this and it is parallel. This has a slope 2, means this also has the slope 2, and just now we found out the point at which tangent is drawn. It is 2 comma 7. So one point is known, slope is known, means I can write the equation for this tangent by the formula y minus y1 is m into x minus x1, where x1 y1 is the point of contact and m is the slope of line. And second clue they have given, for the same curve, if the curve is perpendicular to the line, there is a curve like this, is a tangent. You have to find out the equation of tangent, but here they have given this line is perpendicular to the line minus 15x plus 5y is equal to 13. So for this, what happens? Suppose these two lines are perpendicular. What is the condition? The product of the slopes is minus 1. Here, what is the slope of this line? It will be, again, I use the formula. If the equation of this line is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, minus a by b minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, minus as it is coefficient of x, it is minus 15, 5 is the coefficient of y, we get it as 3. What is 3? Slope of the line which is perpendicular to our tangent is 3. If this is 3, how do you find out the slope of this line roughly? You will differentiate the curve, you will find dy by dx. It is 2x minus 2. Now, since the tangent is perpendicular to the given line whose slope is minus 3, I can have the product of the slopes m1 into m2 is minus 1. So like that, dy by dx is minus 1 by m. Our m1 is dy by dx here, minus 1 by m. So thus, the slope of this line, required line, is minus 1 upon 3. Then, we have to find out the point at which the tangent is drawn. When you put dy by dx is 2x minus 2. When you put dy by dx is minus 1 by 3, we'll get x is equal to 5 by 6. X coordinate is known, means I will substitute this x coordinate in the equation of the curve so that I can get the corresponding y coordinate of that point. Okay. So here 5 by 6 and then when I put x is 5 by 6 in this equation, 5 by 6 the whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7, it is 217 upon 36. 217 upon 36, x coordinate and y coordinate. Thus, we have come to know the slope and point of this line, means I can write the equation for this line as y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. Our m is minus 1 by 3, x is 5 by 6 and then x1 is 5 by 6 and y1 is 217 upon 36. This is how we write the equation of tangent when the clue is given. Here they have neither directly given the slope nor the point of contact. Now, I consider one more example. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve y square is 4ax at the point 80 square comma 280. It is simple. Y square equal to 4ax, you know. This is the parabola like this. Okay, the point at which tangent is drawn, it may be like this, and point they have given 80 square comma 280. But the only thing is that it is in the parametric form. You know how to find out dy by dx in parametric form? The equation of curve is y square equal to 4x. Point is 80 square comma 280. What's the first step? You will differentiate the curve with respect to x. dy by dx is 2a upon y. Then slope at 80 square comma 280. Okay, here I have y. Y is again a function of t. So I'll put y is 280. So that dy by dx is 1 comma 1 by t. So the slope of this line is 1 by t, and the point at which it is drawn is 80 square comma 280. Thus, we apply the slope point form of a equation of a line, which is y minus y1. y1 is 280. Slope 1 by t, m, it is 1 by t, into x minus x1. x1 is 80 square. Thus, yt minus 280 square is equal to, this t is multiplied over left hand side, x minus 80 square. Okay. Similarly, the equation of normal. For tangent, you have told the slope is m, means m into m2, m1 m2 is minus 1. That should be the slope of normal. So minus 1 by m becomes the slope of normal. Point of contact is same. Whenever we have a tangent like this, normal is drawn to that tangent perpendicular at that point only. So the point of contact for tangent is same for normal also. You know the point through which the normal is passing, and one more point is slope of this line. Slope of tangent is m, means slope of normal will be minus 1 by m. Thus, we get the slope if this is minus t, and we'll substitute like this. Next one. Show that the curve